Travel.
Where are you traveling to?
I am going to Paris.
How long is your trip?
My trip is 10 days.
Did you book a flight?
Yes, I booked a flight.
Which airline are you flying with?
I am flying with Air France.
What time does the flight depart?
The flight departs at 8 a.m.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I have a passport.
Did you apply for a visa?
No, I don't need a visa.
How much is the hotel?
The hotel costs $150 per night.
Do you need a travel insurance?
Yes, I bought travel insurance.
What is your luggage allowance?
I can bring 2 checked bags.
Did you pack your toiletries?
Yes, I packed them.
Where is the nearest airport?
The nearest airport is 20 kilometers away.
How will you get to the hotel?
I will take a taxi.
Do you need a map?
Yes, I need a map.
What attractions do you want to see?
I want to see the museum.
Have you bought travel tickets?
Yes, I have tickets for the train.
How much does the train cost?
The train costs $30.
Do you speak the local language?
A little bit.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, try the seafood place.
How far is the city center?
It is 5 kilometers away.
Do you need a guide?
No, I will explore on my own.
What currency do they use?
They use euros.
Where can I exchange money?
At the airport exchange desk.
Do you have a travel adapter?
Yes, I brought one.
How many days will you stay?
I will stay for 5 nights.
Have you checked the weather forecast?
Yes, it will be sunny.
Do you need a car rental?
No, I will use public transport.
What time is check-in?
Check-in is at 3 p.m.
What time is check-out?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Do you need a wake-up call?
Yes, please call at 7 a.m.
Can I have a non-smoking room?
Yes, we have a non-smoking room.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is free.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, the Wi-Fi password is on the desk.
How far is the beach?
The beach is 10 minutes by bus.
Do you need a travel guidebook?
No, I will use my phone.
What is the emergency number?
The emergency number is 112.
Can I get a city map at the hotel?
Yes, they provide one at the front desk.
Do you need travel documents?
Yes, I have my passport and tickets.
Are you traveling alone?
No, I am traveling with friends.
What is your travel budget?
My budget is $2,000.
Have you arranged airport transfer?
Yes, a shuttle will pick me up.
Do you need travel health advice?
No, I am healthy.
What time does the museum open?
The museum opens at 9 a.m.
How long does the tour last?
The tour lasts 3 hours.
Do you need a translator?
No, I can manage.
Are there any travel restrictions?
Yes, there is a COVID-19 rule.
Where can I find a pharmacy?
The pharmacy is next to the hotel.
Do you need travel snacks?
Yes, I packed some nuts.
How do you pay for the taxi?
I will pay by credit card.
Is there a luggage storage?
Yes, they have a storage room.
What is the local time zone?
The time zone is GMT +1.
Do you need a power bank?
Yes, I have a power bank.
Are you bringing souvenirs back?
No, I will buy them there.
How much is the taxi fare?
The fare is $25.
Do you have a travel itinerary?
Yes, I printed it.
Is there a luggage carousel?
Yes, at the arrivals hall.
What is the best way to get around?
The best way is the subway.
Are you traveling for business?
Yes, I have meetings.
Do you need a conference room?
No, I will work from the hotel.
What is the local cuisine?
The local cuisine includes seafood.
Do you have a travel journal?
Yes, I write in it daily.
Is there a 24-hour front desk?
Yes, the desk is always open.
Do you need a laundry service?
No, I will wash my clothes.
What is the best souvenir to buy?
The best souvenir is a handmade scarf.
Do you have travel apps?
Yes, I use Google Maps.
Are you bringing a camera?
Yes, I have a DSLR.
How many stops will you make?
I will make 3 stops.
Do you need a travel guide app?
No, I prefer paper guides.
Is the hotel near public transport?
Yes, a metro station is nearby.
Do you need a travel mug?
No, I drink from a bottle.
What is the best time to visit?
The best time is spring.
Are you planning a day trip?
Yes, I will go to the mountains.
How will you get there?
I will take a bus.
Do you need travel insurance for medical?
Yes, it covers emergencies.
What is the airport code?
The code is LHR.
Do you have a travel budget spreadsheet?
Yes, I track my expenses.
Is there a tourist information center?
Yes, it is near the main square.
Do you need a travel lock for your bag?
No, I have a built-in lock.
Are you traveling with pets?
No, I left my pet at home.
Do you need a travel umbrella?
Yes, it might rain.
How much is the entrance fee?
The fee is $12.
Do you need a travel health kit?
No, I have nothing.
Is there a bike rental?
Yes, bikes are near the river.
What language do locals speak?
They speak English and Spanish.
Will you need a taxi to the airport?
Yes, I will book one.
How many tickets do you need?
I need 2 tickets.
Is there a discount for students?
Yes, show your student ID.
Do you need travel insurance for luggage?
No, I have my own.
What is the check-in deadline?
The deadline is 2 hours before departure.
Are you bringing a travel bag?
Yes, I have a duffel bag.
Do you need a travel pillow for the flight?
No, I will sleep upright.
Is there a luggage cart at the airport?
Yes, near gate 5.
Do you need a travel-sized shampoo?
No, the hotel provides it.
What time does the train leave?
The train leaves at 6:30 p.m.
Are you traveling on a budget airline?
Yes, I chose a low-cost carrier.
Do you have travel health insurance?
Yes, I bought it online.
Is there a tourist tax?
Yes, it is included in the price.
Thanks for watching.